today's drawing class. First make grass, then make like this line, and make here first circle, box, then make like this, and make two line like this and joint here like this. Okay, then two line and make like this. Okay, then make here one circle, box, small box, then make like this. Here two line and two line make. Then make straight line like this line, cross line, then one more line, two line like this. Okay, then here also make circle, box, small box, make two line like this line, then two line. Okay, and here two line, like this. Okay, now straight line, and make grass, tree, here also tree, circle. Okay, then here like this, and one more tree. Okay, now color. Color first sky blue, a yellow color, a light green, dark green, brown, black line, your light green, dark green, your sky blue, dark blue line, purple, violet color, red, skin color, your black line, your black, your brown color, brown line, red, pink, your brown skin color, purple, red, skin color, black, your brown color, your green color, light green, then dark green line. Your fish, purple color, yellow color, your black line. Okay, thank you.